videos of exhaust in garages because they never sound good. But anyways, here's a stock exhaust. Cold start. Hopefully I put everything back together. All right, cold start with the SC project. Semi-warm start, the SC, no DB killer. Holy crap, that is insane for a freaking twin. Woo! Here's a quick just close up of the exhaust. Nice little bluing going on. No tune on it yet, but just so you know, the header portion is stainless steel to right here, and here back is titanium. So that is the exhaust. It does come with a bracket right here to replace the passenger bag. But alright, let's crank it up and see how she sounds. This will be a cold crank.
Lost his hat.